Hello, Call of Duty Jatisari, may I help you? Huh? How to optimize using shampoo? Okay, I will make video and will show to you. Okay, thank you. Huh? Welcome to Call of Duty Jatisari. Now I explain to you about how to optimize using this shampoo. Yes, shampoo. This is Lifebuoy shampoo, strong and shiny. Shampoo rambut lebat. Okay. Sometime in the end of empty this content, yeah, we will use this shampoo, but the shampoo is empty like this. This is problem, yeah, this is problem. No, nothing. Now you don't trash it as soon. Yeah, don't trash it soon. You still use it for 3 or 4 times. All we need is just to fill it with fresh water. Okay, and then shake it, and we can use it again. Yeah, this was example. I will use it as once this is a shower. In Indonesia it is keramas, yeah. Okay, and okay, this is still can use, yeah. This is still can use. You can use it 3 or 5 times, and this is enough, yeah, to have a longer time to buy it. While you buy it, you will buy it. You can use it for 3 or 5 times for shower. Okay, thank you. Don't trash it if this content empty. Yeah, just do it what I do. Yeah, karapmu. Okay, I've uploaded video about how to optimize using shampoo or take a bath. Okay, if you think this video useful, please share to others and please subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.